Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Ranger gear knob. First, gather your tools like a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and possibly a small wrench, depending on your knob type. Always make sure your vehicle is parked securely with the engine off. Familiarize yourself with how your specific gear knob is attached, as designs can vary slightly. Taking these initial steps will make the process much smoother and prevent any unnecessary frustration. Next, focus on detaching the gear boot. Most boots are held in place by clips or a friction fit around the console. Use a trim removal tool to gently pry up the edges of the boot base. Once the base is loose, carefully pull the entire boot upwards, sliding it over the gear stick. This action will expose the lower part of the gear knob and the shaft, revealing how the knob is secured to the shifter. Now it's time to release the knob itself. Some Ford Ranger gear knobs are threaded on, requiring a counterclockwise twist to remove. Others might have a retaining clip or a small screw at the base that needs to be undone. Once you've identified the mechanism, use the correct tool, whether it's your hands for twisting or a small screwdriver for a clip. Apply steady, even pressure to avoid stripping threads or breaking plastic components, then pull the knob straight off. With the old gear knob removed, take a moment to inspect the shifter shaft for any wear or damage. This is also a great opportunity to clean the area around the shifter before installing a new knob. When you're ready, simply reverse the steps to install your new gear knob or reassemble the existing one. And hey, before you go, don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home setup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.